Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I got the Craftsman SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. We're going to check it out and test it out. 2.0 joules of impact energy in 3 modes. It's very similar to the DeWalt that Stanley has out. Has, you know, VersaTrack, all that stuff. It's brushless, like I said before. And they're just talking about, oh, durable and blah, blah, blah. Okay. The no load speed, 0 to 1500 RPMs. The BPMs are 0 to 5500. Optimal drilling range, 5/30 seconds to half. It's 3.9 to 12.7 millimeters. Impact energy, 2.0 joules. It chips, yes, with 3 modes. Tool length, 14 and 61 and 64ths. Say 15. You know, every bit of the inch counts. And the weight of the tool is 5 pounds for the tool only. I got this because we're taking up tile, and we got to take up the thin set, the mud, whatever you want to call it. So that's why you see this on the side. Little blade angled right there. So just lightly chip the thin set off. As SDS Plus right there. 1.5 inch wide. So that should help. Okay, so let's open it up. Twist, pop, twist, pop. Oh, you guys knew that already, right? Let's see, we got that right there. Tool only. Instructions. Goes in the drawer now. Because I figured, you never know, you might need that. Depth rod. That is plastic. Tool in a bag. There we go. Reverse forward switch. Lock. Brushless sticker. Not too hot about the stickers, but what are you going to do? 3 mode. Drill only. Push that into lock. Drill and chisel. Chisel only. Okay. That just loosens so you can get whatever angle you want. Hold on. Talo. Doesn't matter. There we go. That looks like to release the depth gauge. There we go. Numbers, so you know how deep you want to go. You know, it's always good for a warning, so you don't surprise her. There we go. I don't know how long that plastic one will last. I don't even know if plastic is standard. Probably not. And that says, goes like that, okay. Now I have a drill bit. I was using it in my regular hammer drills. It works. There we go, locked in. All right, let's get a battery. Charged. Drill and chisel. Drill only. And for chisel only. There we go. Let's test this out on some old concrete I have outside. Standard concrete slab. see what we can do with this. It is on chip and drill, so let's do this. Nice. Do another. All right, that's beautiful. One more. All right. All right, so nice. So if you're in the battery platform, or you just like the new Craftsman tools, and this is great. I'm actually comparing it to my handheld drill-sized hammer drills, which this works worlds over. That's why they have these, because they work so much better than standard hand drills, or else why bother getting something like this? That is that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.